Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making instant pot roast. Alright, I'm starting out here with a little over 2-pound chuck roast. I'm going to start by spraying it down with some olive oil. And I'm going to season it on both sides with salt and pepper. Right now I have my chuck roast all seasoned up with the salt and pepper. I have my instant pot set on saute and it's hot. I put a little olive oil in there. I'm going to get my chuck roast in there and get it nice and golden brown on both sides. Right now that my roast is all browned up, I pulled out to the side for a second. I have 2 cups of beef broth I'm going to dump into the instant pot. And I'm going to deglaze the bottom of the pan. It's going to do 2 things. That little burnt bit on the bottom of the font, that's going to add flavor to our gravy in the end. And it's going to keep this from putting a burn notice on and shutting the machine down, because that little bit on the bottom could cause a burn notice. Alright, I'm going to place my roast back into the Instant Pot. See how nice and golden brown that is. And I'm going to close my lid down. With this you have to pull to the right and then lock it over to the left. Alright, I'm going to push my pressure cook lid. And I'm going to push the time, and I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 50 minutes. And I'm going to set my release for a quick release. Right now that my time's up, I have some russet potatoes that I washed, 4 of them, and I cut into decent sized pieces. I'm going to get them down in there around the roast. And there's no fancy or special way to put them in there, just get them in there. And then I have 3 carrots, 2 onions, and 2 stalks of celery I cut up in big chunks. I'm going to get that down in there. And I'm going to season this with my standard go-to seasoning: McCormick's Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic. I think those guys would give me a kickback or some money by now for all the advertisement I do for them. Now I'm going to close my lid back down, and I'm going to allow this to pressure cook for 10 more minutes. After the 10 minutes, I'll let it do a natural release for 10 minutes. Here's my roast, guys. Let it rest for a few minutes. Look at how tender. See that? Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made some mashed potatoes, and I made a nice rich brown gravy with the drippings from the roast. Dexter's noisy. I'm going to try this gravy first, guys. Well seasoned, delicious. And guys, this roast is just so super fall apart tender. Tender, moist, well seasoned with beef flavor. Instant pot roast. Thanks for watching and supporting me, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.